Make sure you flush that transmission cooler before you install these lines when putting a new transmission. Might even be best to change the transmission cooler itself, but if you back flush it, top line being the cold line, bottom line's the hot. So we're gonna suck in. That top line's going to my fresh fluid. Then this device, nice little vacuum pump, pulls on the hot line, back flushes the lines for you. All you gotta do is pump it up. When you got almost all of the fluid from this flushed through, make sure you leave some. So break the vacuum and leave some in there. Let's take that off, and we're gonna blow some air through that top line and kind of power flush the transmission cooler a little bit. This is a high flow air gun. Got it pushed into the tube. Top. So we're gonna push air through the top one, and we're gonna power flush everything back out to the bottom one. Nothing else coming out. And then we'll go inspect this. So then we'll pour this through a screen, and if there's a bunch of metal in it, we're probably replacing the transmission cooler. If it's clean, then we're probably gonna run it. See what it looks like.